Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader. It's 5:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021. This isn't financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified of the videos. The thumbs up. Share the video. We're talking about Fetch.AI. Intraday Updates are on Twitter.com. In the link below, take a look at the market here. Wow. 15% money move. Yesterday when we did this video, we were at 60 cents. This ain't no feta cheese. FET US dollar is actually on a nice rebound. Clearly hitting that line of support. We have talked about this ad nauseum. This is a perfect spot. It bounced right off that orange line. Now we're at 70 cents, 10 cents higher than yesterday. I still think we're going to be in a sideways pattern. We cannot claim victory yet, in my opinion. Again, you do you, I do me, but I'm telling you, this could be a situation where we start seeing more sideways action for a number of reasons. We're going to go through that in a second. But honestly, I wouldn't go jumping onto this right this second because I think we're going to be on it for a little bit of a sideways action. I think you still might get another opportunity. Maybe not all the way down here, but somewhere around here. We're going to take a look at that right in a couple more seconds. But let's just first look at the Fetch to Bitcoin pair. Again, still resuming in this channel upward. Clearly another nice rise all the way down from the bowels of 1448 all the way up to 1600. Now, very significantly, Fetch has done this all on its own. Bitcoin in this particular crypto that I cover has only provided 6% or so of its oomph onto this, whereas Fetch Bitcoin, which is the Fetch inner strength, as I call it, provided over 9%. You can see the numbers right here. 9 plus this equals that. Anyway, point being here, we are on an uptrend, and I think overall. However, that's not to say that for the next week or two, we still may have some uncertainty, some footing issues. We got to get through that. But anyway, let's go over to Bitcoin because this is really where everything changed. Overnight, we went from 39,000 and change all the way up to 43,540. Let me tell you something. That's a 10% money move right there. With a 10% money move like that, it's great. But take a look at what happened back here in June, and I continue to go back in time because look what happened. We went all the way down, which is at the middle of the range, and then we bounced back up, but then we started going back down again. So I think we're going to bounce up. I think this might be our peak here at 44 and change, possibly that high, and then I think we're going to start slowly trickling back down again. I think this is a repeat, but you know, nothing certain. Past performance does not indicate future trends, so do not take me literally here, but this is what I think might happen. I think we're going to come up and then have a little bit of a pullback. You know what? If it goes up, great. You know, I'm a winner there too because I'm not 100% in cryptos. I always keep money on the sidelines to be able to put more money in when these things become screaming buys. But right now, I think that generally speaking, we're going to kind of go sideways for a bit. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance showing the fact that now that Bitcoin's got its legs back, we're starting to see that people are getting excited again. Look at all the retail people running back in by the droves into the retail market, and that's into the altcoin market, that is. And the retail folks are really causing this, which is fine. This is great. So the risk trade is back on for today, but we'll see. The rest of the week has to play out. We're not sure how things will pan out. Lots of other items on the docket in terms of uncertainty. I don't want to wave the negative flag here because I'm generally optimistic. If you've been watching these videos, you know this. But, we are where we are. We're at 41.52. Yesterday, we were 42.25 on the Bitcoin dominance pair. We'll see how this thing plays out. But in the meantime, Fetch US dollar, there's never really a great entry. But this thing's always a great entry point right now. So it doesn't really matter if you pick some up today, pick some up tomorrow, pick some up 2 weeks ago. Even if you picked it up here, I think if you're in it for the long term, you're going to be in a good position. I think this is a great growth story. Anyway, I'm out. Hope everyone's well. Take it easy.